Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another 3D modeling tutorial video for you. In this video, I will show you how to model this part using FreeCAD 1.0. You can model this part in a few different ways, starting from the cylindrical pipe on the top, or the mid plate between the pipe and the base plate, or from the base plate. I am going to model this part starting from the base plate. Let's get started. I am going to pick parametric part template, and I am on Part Design Workbench. Click on Create Sketch command and pick XY plane. Pick Centered Rectangle command from this drop-down menu and check this Rounded Corners option and click at the origin to start sketching the rectangle. Type 55 and press Enter. Type 75 and press Enter. And type 8, press Enter. Click to close the window. Let's give a thickness using the pad command. Click on pad command. Leave the 10 mm and click OK to close the window. Now we will add the holes. Let's pick the top face and click on Create Sketch command. Click on Create Circle by Center command and click somewhere around here on Y-axis. Type 8 mm for the diameter. Draw another circle somewhere here, and we will make same diameter as other circle by adding equal constraint. Click on this tool and select both circles to add equal constraint. Right-click to exit the command. We will add symmetrical constraint to these two circles along Y-axis. Control-select the center points of two circles and click on the origin and click on symmetrical constraint. Now we will add dimension between the circles to make the sketch fully constrained. Click on Dimension command and pick the center point of the circles. Type 52 mm. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Close the window. Now click on Hold command. Type 8 for the diameter. Change this to Through All. Pick Countersink type from this drop-down menu and enter 14 mm for the diameter and click OK. Let's create the mid plate. Click on Create Sketch command and pick XZ plane. Click on this tool to copy external reference lines from existing solid. Pick these edges, so we will use them as reference lines for the new sketch. Right-click to exit. Now click on Create Polygon command and start sketching from this corner and this corner and this corner. Then click and draw similar to this shape. We will add dimensions to make it fully constrained. Pick Dimension command and start adding dimensions like this. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Click to close the window. Let's give thickness to this sketch using the pad command again. Click on pad command. Check this symmetric to plane option and type 8 mm for the thickness. Click OK. It's looking good. Let's add the pipe to this plate. Pick this face and click on Create Sketch command. Let's copy the edge using this command again. We will use these external lines as reference. Click on Create Circle command. Click somewhere here along x-axis and click on this line. Create one more circle at the same center point and make it bigger than the other circle. Click on Dimension command and click on both circles. Type 4 and enter. Click on the small circle and type 20 for the diameter. Click to close the window. Click on pad command, pick the reversed option and type 25 for the length. Click OK. We are almost done. Let's make the cutout on the middle plate. Pick this face and click on Create Sketch command. Again, we will copy some external lines using this command to create the new profile sketch. Pick these edges. Right-click to exit and click on Create Polygon command. Start sketching similar to this. We will add constraints and dimensions to make the sketch fully constrained. Right-click to exit the command. Pick horizontal constraint and pick this horizontal line. Pick parallel constraint and pick these two lines. Do the same for these two lines. Right-click to exit the command. Now add the following dimensions using this command. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Click to close the window. Click on Pocket command. Pick Through All type and click OK. Now we will add radius to these inside corners. Control select these 4 corners and click on Fillet command. Type 5 mm for radius. Now the model is complete. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, as it will help it grow. See you in the next video.